Hey everyone, my name is Shomudi and I am pursuing BTech in the field of Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning. And as a AI/ML enthusiast student, it need to be know that we should update it about the latest technology related to AI. So one day I was scrolling the YouTube randomly and I found in the YouTube channel of Sir Hitesh Chaudhary that there was a hackathon which was about to make a website or an app that need to be built by using a special AI integrated tool called LOCOFY. And it also supports the Figma community and also the Figma design. So I was wondering about that. What is the things about it talking about? So I watched the video till end and I found that he was talking about the website where we can make the things very easily from scratch by drawing or by designing some web pages or the structure, and the AI enabled tool transform the design into the code. So the tool is called the LOCOFY, which enables us to make the code or to create or generate the code, auto-generated code from a special design chosen by the developer. So it's the totally a game changer for the front-end developer who is the new in this field, who has no prior idea about the what is the front development and how to do coding in the HTML and how to apply the CSS framework and some different kind of things. Bootstrap, don't know about the Bootstrap, right? So they can use that properly, and is also helpful for both of the front-end and back-end developer also. So without further delay, let's move into the project that what I have created from that. So in the challenge we mentioned that we can use any type of the language and we support React Native, HTML, CSS, etc. So I have created this by using HTML and CSS framework. After that we have to implement it in the any of one out of the three, like Netlify, Vercel, and all, or also we can deploy it our own self. So I have implemented in the Netlify, and you can see that this is my web page. In the Netlify account, this is my web page, which is made out of the 7 components. Like here is home. In the home section, you can see that I have added some of the images and text over there. And if we tap on the explore device, it will navigate me from one page to another. And in the top navigation view, if I tap on the company in the next tab, it will navigate to from home to the company page. And after that, if we tap on the features page, then automatically redirect to the features page where user is featuring here in the home section. So this is the website about the weird technology. Like the theme is weird technology and the website name is TensorCube. So look at the UI, very beautiful. And how exciting is this? I haven't write any single line of code or a single piece of code. No single line of code has been written by me. Only I have created the design. I'll show that also. And in the features page, you will see that there are different type of gradient color along with the different cards view with the images and text also. And in the sign up page, after going to the sign up page, you can see that here a different option to fill up our credential. This is the dummy sign up page. You can add any type of the information or credential to move into your projects and move into your websites. That here if we add different fake email ID and log in with the password, with a fake password, any type of password can be supported. And if we sign up this page, it will redirect to a page where it shows that you are signed up, and you can go to the home and take a tour again to that website. And if you go to the home and again sign up, and after that if you sign in our page, then it will say that you are signed in and you can go to your home. So isn't it very cool? Remember, I haven't write a single piece of code over there. And how fast is it? It is moving from one page to another and navigates through the web page from one to another. You can see. Now I will show that how I made this. So this is the Figma page. I was wondering about that which of the that which of the thing will be perfect, app or website. So implementation of app is little bit of tough. So I thought that eh, I'll deploy a website or web page where different types of pages there. You can see that 7 pages are total are integrated in that project, and each page has a special significance. In the section, you can see that this is the home page, this is the company page, this is the features page. All the pages are integrated for each of the following component in the top navigation view. For the sign up, there are 3 different type of page, and for the sign up, after that it will go to a sign up page, and if you tap on the sign in page, and it will go to the sign in page. So whatever the button you will click, it will redirect to that position. So for that each individual pages we have to create it separately. The main challenge is to make the beautiful UI design such that it looks like a real website and made by the CSS and JavaScript and HTML. People will think that that this is made out of that basic things. Yes, this is made by the basic things HTML, CSS, JavaScript, but this is auto-generated, AI-generated thing. To implement that, we have to go to the plugin and search for the LOCOFY free beta. After, if we run this plugin, it will take little bit of seconds. And after selecting a particular page, I am selecting here home page. And if you enable this auto tag with local AI, first we have to select first one frame. So if I select this sign up page and enable it, it will show the all required component which is the part of the top navigation bar of that particular page. In the sign up page, you can see that here are 4 different type of tabs: home, company, feature, sign up. This also a button, but it has selected all the things and criteria, and this has tagged it with either button or with the text. Machine cannot understand that what type of property should we give to that particular text. Either is it text or button. So we have to give the property manually. If you want to change the property for that particular tab or the button or the text, you have to go to simply edit, and after that you'll set the property and go to the styling section. If you hover any of the tab over there, it will changes the color from normal white to pinkish shade, and if you pressed on that button, it will change the color from the pinkish shade to darker shade, the most darkest shade of the purple color. So this is the indicator of that button that we are pressing over there. Making this all the required pages for the particular website, for the required tabs in the top navigation bar. Let us talk about the implementation part, that where we should implement and how to implement that code into a place where we can see the website live. So for that, open the plugin LOCOFY free beta plugin again, and it takes some time to reload. After reload it, just tap on the particular page. You can watch the preview section to get a preview that how your website is looking for a particular page. Okay, suppose we want to see that this frame company page how is looking up. So after, if we click the preview, this will look like this. This just gives us the particular demo by which we can verify that is the design is wrong or not. Okay, so this is the bus. So it is just a verification step to finalize before publishing the website. Make sure that we should keep everything in a proper management order and don't mess it up. Okay, because if you mess it up, then the all component will be scattered down, and we will not find the things very really good. You know that if all the things keeps scattered, then we don't find anything properly, and the layout will be damaged, maybe damaged. Okay, so after putting all the required things in the proper way and manage it in the proper section, you can see that I have set it in the 7 different formats. for 7 different pages because I don't want to mess it up. So that's why I am doing this. After that, tap on the any of the page you want to like, but you should tap on the first page. After that, view code, and here are 6 different frames. I have messed it up a little bit, so that's why this is showing me up. Let me fix it. After that, tap on the 6 or 7, whatever you want to make this number of pages. Ignore recommendation if you want to continue with your own satisfaction and styles. Otherwise, you can get the review from the AI integrated tool, which will give the more appropriate things that you may want to integrate in your project by attempt. But at this time, I don't want this, so I will tap on the ignore recommendation, and after that it will create automatically the code out of this design that I made in the Figma. Okay, it takes some time. One by one this takes the pages and render it properly. After that it will create the CSS, okay, the CSS HTML JavaScript file inside this backend section in the cloud server. So it takes some time, so wait some time until it reaches its proper position. Wait for some time. They're thinking the all things required to make the projects. So for implementation part, go to the netlify.com where we can deploy our app or website that we have made. Okay, this is the implementation website. This is basically a cloud service which provides us to implement any of the thing that we want to implement. Okay, now I have implemented it earlier, and if I go to that web page, we can see that this is live. For implementation, just you go to that website and create a token out of that. After that, copy that token for future uses purpose and paste it in the Netlify section. No, Netlify, not Netlify. Go to that and save it in the LOCOFY. After pasting the LOCOFY deploy section, just publish it. It will take some time. After that, your website will be live. This is the direct process and easiest way to implement. Okay, so this was the thing. Alright, you can see that this is perfect and full-fledged and working very perfectly. This is navigating from one page to another very smoothly and in an efficient manner. Everything looks professional. You can see that the gradient color, the tab view, the navigation bar, all things are set properly. So this is the all thing that we need to know, and this was the thing that I was wanted to show you. Thank you for giving your kind attention to this project that I have made. See you in next time. Till then, thank you and bye.